Okay, guys, today we're going to do some fidget trading.
Yep.
All right, so here are my fidgets. I mean, I know, usually you don't see these as fidget toys, but we don't have that many, so we just put them in. And then these are my brother's fidgets.
Hi, these are more fidgets.
Oh, yeah, he got some mini jujitsu. All right, Chris, you want to put the first item on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, whenever you're ready. Let's see. What are you going to put on?
Moojis.
Oh, 2 moochies?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I think I'll put on this one cute moochie. Is that a deal?
Yes.
Okay. All right. There you go. Okay, I'm going to put the next item. I'm going to put these 2 Jujitsu characters and 1 awesome fidget spinner. What are you going to put?
I'll put 2 Jujitsu characters and a fidget spinner too.
I will take that. All right. And then here's his items. Are you put the next item on?
I will put these Rubik's Cubes on here.
2 Rubik's Cubes. Okay. That it?
Yep.
Okay. All right. I think I'll return these 2 to you, and then I'll put some puzzles. Is that good?
One more thing.
And this unicorn moochie.
Okay. Yep.
All right. Here you go. Okay, I'm gonna put my most prized possession. I mean, my panda was my most prized possession, but I had to give that to him. Offer for my poppet.
Okay.
A very special poppet. What do you have to offer?
I'll offer my gold
fidget spinner, huh?
Spinner.
Look at that. All right.
And you may have your little here back.
Oh yeah, and his name is Gillard because my favorite moochies that got a name, and this is
And you can
Gillard.
have my poppet fidget spinner.
I think you gotta add for a poppet.
Okay.
Why don't you give me one of those Jujitsu characters over there?
Okay. I'll give you these 2 back.
Add in that unicorn, and we're done. And that's a deal. All right, there you go.
Poppet.
He's got a poppet now. All right, what are you gonna put? This is our last round. Okay, and of course you're gonna play with the poppet. Okay. All right, put the next item on. Hey,
Okay.
what's those puzzles? Got it? Put both Rubik's Cubes and a moochie.
If you add in that Rubik's Cube, then we're done.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I need that. All right, for the last round, I will be putting on this jack-o'-lantern stress ball. I mean. What do you have to offer? That's very special.
A poppet.
Oh, that is a deal. And all right, that is the end of our fidget trading part 1. Oh.